first lets us know about top 6 face washing mistakes in daily life. Overwashing or underwashing your face, which can dry out your skin or leave behind acne-causing dirt, oils, and bacteria. Number 2. Use dirty towel. If you are using a used or dirty towel to dry your face, then it can cause skin problems on your face, because it transfers bacteria and dirt, which could cause breakouts or infections. Number 3. Apply facial cleanser on a dry face, because dry skin lacks moisture. It's best to avoid cleansers because it has ingredients that can be irritating or drying. Number 4. Not cleansing your skin after removing your makeup. It can end up clogging your pores, irritating your skin, breakouts, and blackheads. Number 5. Not washing your hands prior to washing your face, because unwashed hands can easily spread germs to your face after touching contaminated surfaces or objects. Number 6. Washing your face with water that is either too hot or too cold. Hot water can make your skin lose its natural oils and end up dry and sensitive, while using too cold water, bacteria and debris can get trapped and won't clear out as easily as using warm water. Now let's discuss how to wash your face properly. Start with clean hands. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Use a gentle, non-abrasive cleanser that does not contain alcohol. Use your fingertips to apply cleanser. Resist the temptation to scrub your skin because scrubbing irritates the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Afterwards, first, apply toner to cleanse and tone the skin. Then, apply moisturizer to hydrate and protect the skin. Thank you for joining us.